Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Kitang-kita sa camera.
Hindi, maganda yung ano, yung pinuto mo. Puro puto, tapos pinalo mo.
Last na. Juice.
Ayaw nga. Boom! Boom!
Wala na doon.
Boom! Bakit ang buta? Dugdug. 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 Dugdug.
Ano ka ba? Advantage.
Dugdug. Dugdug. Diyos!
Wait lang!
Dugdug. 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 Dugdug.
Sabi ko sa'yo.
Ad! Dugdug. 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 Dugdug.
Yan tuloy! Wala ulit yung isa!
Sige.
At. O yan. At. Tara na. Mauna na kami ah. Rock.
Ano na?
Yan. At.
Advantage. Seven, 7.
Mauna na kami ah. Sige.
Ay, no mo tayo ngayon ah. Magse-celebrate tayo eh. Ha?
Ano? 2-0?
Tratado. Kasi naka-survive tayo sa ano? Sa exam. Uy, ako naman!
Kita ano yun?
3-1. 3-1! 3 ako! Wala na!
Big deal ah. Eh!
Gumagalaw yung mga baka eh. Ano?
Or what? Ay, 42.
Or 3.
You niggas talking about, man? What the fuck you niggas saying, man? Chevy! Chevy, what the fuck are these niggas saying, man? Yeah. This what it really look like, nigga. Yeah. And I don't fuck around. 1,000 pounds of weed. Riding in my car so fast I won't turn down the speed. Them hoes don't use their feet no more, they break down to their knees and suck me like a king. Rose in my champagne glass and diamonds in my ring. Roll something. That's your bitch on my dick, well I might let her hold something. You niggas smoking sevens, I'ma need a whole onion. Whole youngin'. Oh, same ones that hate, same ones that tag along. No Blackberry, too many lame niggas call my phone. Call me worldwide whiz, cause I'm never home. Ever leave me round your bitch, I'ma get her stoned. And you know that, I rock camos, I brought throwbacks to go download some of my old tracks and go play 'em somewhere it's hoes at. Fucking hot, and you down there where them lows at. Getting tired of hearing my flow, Jack. I had hand me a joint, you can't roll that. I got a whole lot of OG, and I'm rolling up for anyone in here that knows me. Everybody smoking, yeah, it's a party. Oh, it's a party. Everybody smoking papers, nobody smoking blunts. Bitches rolling weed, and my niggas fucked up, yeah. It's a party. Oh, it's a party. They said enough weed can't fit in a joint. What do you mean? Are you fucking kidding me, man? I fucking rolled this with my own two hands, man. Fucking hands out of the camera. I learned this shit in Cuba, man. I learned this shit before I got on a fucking boat and came over here. Before I knew American, I knew how to fucking roll a doobie, man. Fucking roll a doobie, man. I know two things, man. What's that? I know how to kill people, and I know how to roast a fucking weed.
Pound of that sour, that's 4 days on tour. Sleeping on how we smoke, see all these pillows on this floor. Every state we score, filters, papers, they be broad. Like a piece of chalk in my hand, but I ain't writing on the chalkboard. And I heard it's a party, it's a party, it's a party, but I'm cool. Them niggas smoking garbage, I'm no fool. We get 5 J's out, half zips. Nigga, that's really smoking. Ain't enough weed up in that swisher to get you high, you joking? Niggas claim that they be high, they be hella low. When they gang up in the building, you gon' smell that sour smoke. I could get that shit from my backyard, go pick it out myself. Yellow light, let me slow it down. Niggas need some help. 28 ain't enough, you need more. All this weed over here, that's one weed jar. When them planes get to flying, niggas wanna part. Smoking crash with the plane, $1 million air.
I got a whole lot of hoes, and I'm rolling up for anyone in here that knows me. Everybody smoking, yeah, it's a party.
It's a party at 8:40.
It's a party. Everybody smoking papers, nobody smoking blunts. Bitches rolling weed, and my niggas fucked up, yeah, it's a party.
And
It's a party. You fucking guys, man. You fucking making your little comments, man. You're fucking talking out of your culo. You saw her saying things like,
Uy, ako naman!
Ganda, Loy.
Yeah! May mga gusto ko eh. Yung nata-challenge ako eh.
Nagbibigyan na ako. Hey. Ay. All.
Hindi mo lang ako na-service, di mo na agad kamay.
Manyup.
Score ko.
Kala ko ah.